Scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up. Part A, Field Cruiser chooses power because $35 million is greater than $28 million. Part B, Nice Ride has no dominant strategy. Nice Ride prefers comfort because 30 is greater than 10. If Field Cruiser chooses power, Nice Ride prefers safety because 32 is greater than 25. It has no dominant strategy. Part C. Yes, safety and power is a Nash equilibrium. If Field Cruiser chooses power, Nice Ride's best choice is safety because 32 is greater than 25. If Nice Ride chooses safety, Field Cruiser's best choice is power because 35 is greater than 28. Neither firm can improve its profit by switching alone. Part D. Great job working through that. Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Watch out for sign errors and always double check each step carefully.